Here, your soggy tater tots, sir.
Oh, thank you.
I also have tater tots.
Just warm them in your mouth. Wait, just give them to the intern and have them warm it into their mouth.
Bro,
work.
he's not a microwave.
Just go.
Wait, who's the intern here? I forgot.
Don't worry, Cyan.
Wow. Okay, start spinning.
Double
start
fish.
Spinning. Start spinning. Wow.
Faster. There
There
we go. You gotta louder. Beep, beep, beep. Alright, give him over. All done.
Bro, that is not a microwave. That is a song.
Hey, Jed, how you doing?
No, the song.
No!
No!
Quit sogging up my tater tots.
Put them back in the microwave.
I'm putting them
In
back.
the microwave.
Heat these up again.
Okay, let's go.
Give me a bigger.
Faster, bro.
Yo, you should check your chat.
I see the tater tots. I see him. How do you do it? I'm doing pretty good also.
Faster!
These guys are crazy.
I want my tater tots well done!
I just want my fish.
Well done.
Where the heck are they?
Stop.
Can I have my tater tots?
Be quiet. They know where they are.
Police! Quiet. Shh.
Yes. I don't know where any of you are.
Nobody's here. Nobody's home.
Guys.
Where are the animals?
Stop eating food.
Can I have some of the tater tots?
I already gave you tater tots, bro.
Oh yeah, don't worry. I got you.
Yeah, thank you.
I think they heard a microwave, guys.
Alright,
Go
that's
get them
enough.
soggy this time.
Microwave upgrade.
Fish.
Yo, we got.
What is this?
Fish.
Why is it taking? Everyone,
Quiet.
Shh.
yeah.
Andesite. Why is there andesite?
The police are here! Quiet!
Useful.
I have to
We
take out my
gotta-
Is he
we gotta
gone? Is he
dispose of
gone?
them.
Is he gone? Oh no! He's dead! They got him! They got
They
him!
got Sucreme!
They got the microwave!